Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to Fiji in case you need one. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Ministry of Immigration Fiji website. Here, not all nationals need a visa to travel to Fiji for tourism. So there's a list here, and all countries not listed here are required to apply for visa. Fine. So first check this form. Okay. This is the list of visa exempted countries. So check if your country is included here or not, and it's based on region. Wow, there's so many. Okay, so first check this if it is listed here or not. And if it is there, then still you need to meet the requirements about what documents you're gonna carry, okay? And like financial need and all these things you should have, okay? But anyway, let's determine that you need a visa. Then how you're gonna do? So you need to apply. Then you should apply 3 months before you planned it, okay? There are documents they need to submit as part of the application, but if they want, they can always ask you for more. Okay. What you need: visa application form, certified copy of passport, two recent photographs, less than 6 months old, a hotel booking, travel itinerary, and proof that you're gonna leave the country. For example, if you're coming back to your own country, then that's fine. But if you're going to some other third country, you have to have authorization to go there. Proof of funds, local sponsor letter if accommodated by family friends. If you have a hotel, then don't worry. And if you're gonna be sponsored by someone, then their details too. Parents, okay. Proof of relationship with travel companion, marriage certificate, birth certificate. Okay. If you're employed, then leave approved letter. Fine. Fee for single entry, $93 for multiple, $185. Wow. Now they have given this that what you need to do. And if you're submitting something non-English, then you should go for certified English translation. Now, two things you have. One is application form, one is apply online. So first I'll open this application form because you need to attach this. So you can print and write it down. Okay. Your details, full name, surname, family name, and then first name. Okay. Date of birth, place of birth, nationality, marital status, home address. These are very simple questions. I don't have to explain. Passport details, children if applicable, where you're gonna stay in Fiji. Okay, full address, reason why you are there, proposed date, duration, financial support while you stay there, arrival, next country of visit that you need to put, details of onward return ticket, so that you need to put. Have you ever applied for work, residence, or study permit before? Provide the detail. Have you ever included the application ever applied for a Fiji visa before? Provide that in details. Do you have any contacts or immediate family members in Fiji? Provide the details. Have you or anyone included the application? Okay, if you have answered yes, then you need to provide details. Sign date. This section is for official use. Don't worry about it. Now let's go to apply online. So the good thing here is like it's gonna be a web form. So it's pretty simple to submit. Again, put your first name, last name, email, phone number, date of birth, address, find your nearest office. Okay. If you're applying from overseas, applying from overseas. New application, application lodgement type, single entry. I also select, but you can do whatever you want. Please select nationality, whatever is your case. Do it. Reason why you are visiting, select holiday. Okay, date of travel. Now, application form that we had seen before would go here. Certified biodata page, passport go here. Sponsor letter go here. Return ticket, go here. If you don't have a sponsored hotel reservation, that you can put here. Other supporting document as per the checklist. So whatever were applicable, you can upload over here. Any note that you want to do, you do. You'll do this, and I'm like, then you're gonna submit at the end. And then it will go for the processing, and if granted, you will all good to go. Okay. So what happens now, some of you may have the question that, okay, we'll apply like this, but how we are going to pay? So what happens after submitting the application, you will get an email for online payment details. And then once you have that, you will need to upload that here so that they know that you have paid for the application. So that's it, guys. That's how it works. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.